In this video, I'll be talking about the signs and symptoms of autism spectrum disorder. I'll be giving you some examples of different types of behaviors that are common among people diagnosed with ASD. If you hear me say ASD, I'm talking about autism spectrum disorder. Okay, not all people with ASD will have all behaviors I'm going to mention, but most will have several of the behavior I'll be talking about in this video. The first thing, let's take a look at social communication and social interaction behaviors. The first one is they might be making little or inconsistent eye contact. They might appear not to look at or listen to people who are talking. Infrequently sharing interest, emotions, or enjoyment of objects or activities, including infrequently pointing at or showing things to others. Another one is not responding or being slow to respond to one's name or other verbal beats for attention. When they call them, they try to ignore, like they are not listening or they're not hearing. Another one is having difficulties with the back and forth of conversation. Often talking at length about a subject of interest without considering social cues or conversational give and take. They will just be talking on one thing, they can prolong it for a long time without taking caution. Displaying facial expressions, movement, and gestures that do not match what is being said. Having an unusual tone of voice that may sound flat, lacking emotion or tonal variation. Having trouble understanding another person's point of view, or being unable to predict or understand other people's action. They lack the ability to understand people. They do have difficulties adjusting behavior to different social situations. When people are crying, they may be laughing. When people are running, they might be walking. Difficulties sharing in imaginative play or in making friends. They can't keep friends. Now, let's talk about restrictive or repetitive behavior. They may be repeating certain behaviors or having unusual behaviors, such as repeating words or phrases, a behavior we call echolalia. Having a lasting intense interest in specific topics, such as numbers, details, or facts. Showing overly focused interest, such as with moving objects or part of objects. Becoming upset by slight changes in a routine and having difficulty with transitions. Autistic people often have sensory differences, such as being more sensitive or less sensitive than other people to sensory inputs, such as light, scent, clothing, or temperature. People with ASD also may experience sleep problems and irritability. One thing you should know also is that people on the autism spectrum may have many strengths, like being able to learn things in detail and remember information for a long period of time. They may be a strong visual and auditory learners, excelling in math, science, music, or art. They could have this exceptional strength. With this video, I hope you are able to understand more about people with autism spectrum disorder. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please share and hit the subscribe button if you are just seeing me for the first time. Bye for now.